Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today I've got a pretty cool one for you from Clifton Forge, Virginia. It's the Chesapeake and Ohio Railway Heritage Center. So we arrived pretty late in the day, making a drive from the Shenandoah Valley area of Virginia over to Lewisburg, West Virginia to spend the night when we happened to see the attraction sign on the side of the interstate mentioning this. So the Heritage Center was closed for the day, but it's mostly outdoor exhibits, and so we used the drone to fly around a little bit. There were some other people out walking around looking at some of the equipment sitting in the museum yard as well. So you're going to see three pretty interesting locomotives. The C&O 5828, which is a GP7 dating back to 11 of 1952. The Greenbrier 614, which was a Class J3A 484 Greenbrier type steam locomotive built in June of 1948 by the Lima Locomotive Works for the Chesapeake and Ohio Railway. It was originally C&O 614, and then between 1979 and 1980, some restoration work took place for it after it had been on display at the B&O Railroad Museum. To be used as a mainline excursion service from the early 80s to late 1990s there at the Greenbrier Hotel. So pretty interesting to see that. They've left it in its Greenbrier paint scheme. And then the last locomotive you're going to see is the C&O 7534, which is an SD40 that was recently donated from CSX. It had been repainted into the C&O heritage type paint scheme before that donation. It appears that it was donated somewhere, trying to see in my notes here, somewhere in the recent years. Looked like right prior to the pandemic maybe. And so that paint scheme is starting to really fade out on the sides a little bit, and it hasn't been there that long. But just sitting in the sun and the weather has weathered it out pretty good. I had some difficulty with the drone in this video. For some reason, the drone thought that I had a payload on it, and so it wouldn't go above a certain altitude. I kept trying to return to home. There's some sun and light issues you'll see. Took it back off a second time, and it did a little better. But still pretty neat to see the equipment and the rolling stock out in the yard. So I'll put some music to this. I'm just leaving the entire raw video out there, so you'll see some of that sunlight and different things, but I didn't want you guys to miss anything. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll be back soon with another one for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.